This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to turn on Always On Display. First, confirm you have an iPhone 16 running the latest iOS and a charged battery. Low power mode disables this feature, so turn it off. Now open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and locate Always On. Tap the toggle to enable it. This activates a low-power dimmed lock screen that shows time and widgets without fully waking the phone. Once enabled, you can immediately test by locking the device and watching the screen go dim instead of off. Once Always On is active, customize what stays visible. You can choose which lock screen widgets remain lit and whether wallpaper details persist. This helps prioritize info while saving power. Tap Display and Brightness options to lower the always-on brightness and enable reduce motion for subtle animations, which conserves battery. Also, review notification settings so you only show essential alerts. Make sure Tap to Wake and Raise to Wake behave how you want. These choices balance. Finish by locking the phone and checking the dimmed display, confirming time, widgets, and selected content remain visible. If it doesn't appear, first make sure low power mode is off and the device is updated. Then restart the phone to clear temporary issues. If problems persist, reset display settings or toggle Always On off and on again. One key troubleshooting tip: Always On won't work during low power mode or certain focus modes, so ensure those are disabled before further diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.